If you think you're experiencing the future right now, you're not. It's not here yet. This isn't it. Instead of staring into space, perhaps we should take a look at what's right in front of us. Children. We look at the future through the eyes of children and their perspective. Children look at the world differently, with unreserved optimism and curiosity. Everything is a new, exciting, and playful possibility. Impossible and can't do are not options. This mindset requires that you feel safe and protected. We take pride in only selling products that we would give to our own children. But you know what children love the most? Play. Silly, nonsensical, unorganized, time-wasting play. In the development of a mind, play is everything. Play is how we learn. It makes children connect dots and understand the world. Gravity, math, social skills, togetherness, confidence, love. The important stuff. Play also heals and promotes mental wellness and self-esteem. Exactly how this works is a beautiful mystery. What's important is that we create more room for play. Make play equal and important again. More than ever, we need that beautiful, unreserved, optimistic view of the future. And you know what? It's right in front of us. And it wants to play. The IKEA 2024 Global Play Report. It's one of the largest global studies on play and our children.